Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of weekly: doing, producing, or occurring once per week. For example, there was a weekly dance on Wednesdays. American pronunciation: weekly, weekly. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Weekly. Say, weekly. Weekly means done, produced, or occurring once week. Weekly. Weekly. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. There are weekly pool tournaments on a Thursday. Now, repeat after me. There are weekly pool tournaments on a Thursday. The second practice. There were also weekly dances at that time in the town hall. Now, repeat after me. There were also weekly dances at that time in the town hall.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.